The next tab is the pages. Or if you're just watching this video, then this tab is pages. On this site, which is the Woodmore Middle School, all the pages are in this order. So if I move schools up to here by just clicking and holding and click, hold, and dragging it, I can put it above districts, I can put it above middle school, I can put it under middle school home, so it'll be like a sub page of it. So that's how you would move things up. If we think calendar is more important and needs to be up here, I can drop it there. But of course, we don't want it to be that important, so we're going to put it down below school delays and cancellations. You can change that stuff if you want. This is just something that was decided at an earlier time. If I want to work on a page, again, I've said this in almost every thing, I click on it and it'll take me to that page and I can edit that page. So if I want to edit this URL, I highlight it and then I can hit the edit button and then go in and edit that. If I don't want it to say website, if I want it to say elementary website or whatever, I can hit that pencil and click in there and make that change. The little link here, that is a link to the district home. Since all of these are separate web pages, they are part of they're all separate, but they're part of each other. So to connect on the middle school page, the district, the local home page, you have to put a link. You can't go outside of a website and go to another website to link to it. So you have to get the link from that district home. So to edit that, I would have to go to the ... on the side here and go to properties. And then I can call it local home. District home is what we've decided it to be, and then I put that link in there to it. Now the way that this was these pages were created was with this button down here, and at first a lot of people just want to click on the button and hope that it does the thing that they want it to do, but now they've made it a little bit faster that when I hover it says, do you want a new page? Do you want a new link? So if I want to do a new link in the navigation here on the side in the pages area, I would just click on new link, and then I could put in, like for instance, if there's a teacher who has a new website, we could put Mrs. Har's school resources, and then I would put her URL down here. She would give that to me. I would paste it and then hit done. You can say, I'm going to pull this down, open in a new tab or not. And what that means is if it opens in a new tab, it will open a brand new tab and that website will be in there. That's usually when something goes away from the Woodmore webpage or your concrete website, you would say open in a new tab. So I'm going to say done with that. And now that we've created that link, Mrs. Har's school resources, I'm going to go up here and delete it because it doesn't exist. Use the little tab for that. The pages, I use them. I'm always on the pages. If I want to edit the calendar page, I go to that page. If I want to change it, go into the properties, add a sub page to that. Maybe we want to have calendar, but then we also under calendar want to have a sub page of gym schedule, old gym schedule, auditorium schedule. Maybe we want to have a calendar of all those things, and calendar of events, have something specific underneath that as a sub page. So that's how you edit those.